Amendola. You can find me at www.teachinghistoryherway.com. Today I'm here to give you a very fast tutorial about how to build a Bitmoji classroom. My Bitmoji classroom looks super fancy, but it was actually super easy to make. Two of the things that you're going to need to do first is you're going to have to open a brand new Google Slides file. Mine is called Amendola Bitmoji Classroom, and the reason I'm calling it that is because I plan on using lots of different slides to make a couple of different classrooms. The next thing you're going to need is a Bitmoji. You have to download the app on your phone first to create a Bitmoji account. Once you've done that, grab the Bitmoji Chrome extension. This way you can get your Bitmojis onto your computer. All right, let's get started. The first thing that you need is a blank Google slide. So here we'll go to my slide 2. The next thing you need to do is you need to build the room. So you'll go to Insert, Image, and search the web. This will pull up all of the images that you have rights to use. I really like pink, so I am going to search for a pink wall. That's really cool. So I'll insert that. That's going to be the wallpaper for my classroom. But I don't want it to take up the entire space. So one thing I can do, or one thing I'll do, is I'll make room for the floor. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert another image. And I am going to search for wood flooring. And I want something that's going to match really nicely with my pink. I like this gray one. So I'll insert this. And here's my floor. I kind of have this boardwalk beach vibe thing going on. Make sure that they meet. Okay, so there's my room. I actually think I want to make this a little bit smaller and this a little bit bigger. Okay, the next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to furnish my room. I would like a whiteboard in the center because that's kind of what my actual classroom looks like. So image, search the web. Now here's the trick. Anything that you put in your classroom, anything you put in your classroom needs to be transparent. So you're going to search whiteboard transparent or transparent background, and you get all of these choices. I think I'm going to take this one. This one looks great. I'll shrink it down to the size that I need it to be, and I'll put it right in the middle of the classroom. Or if I want to, I can put it on the left, or I can put it on the right. You know what? Maybe we'll put it on the right this time. I'll make it a smidgen bigger. All right, so now that's on my wall. The next thing I might want is something about me. So I really like Star Wars, so I think I'm going to search for a pink lightsaber transparent. That transparent is really important so that you don't have a background behind it. So we'll take this magenta one maybe. It'll look nice against the pink. Okay, and then I can do this and I can lean it against the whiteboard. Ta-da! Okay. Next, I think I'm going to want to put myself in. So if I go up here to my Bitmojis, here they are. Okay. So you can search through the ones that you think would be the most appropriate for your classroom. Some of them are not. And the most appropriate for the position that you want to be in. In my first slide, I'm sitting down. In this slide, I think I want to stand up. So I'm going to copy this image, and I'm going to paste myself into my classroom. And of course, I'm going to be standing on the floor. That's really important to create this illusion effect of you having a floor. So here I am, and I'll make myself a little bit taller. Okay? So there you have how to put graphics into your Bitmoji classroom. The next piece of this might be text. So if I want to write on the whiteboard, I'll insert a text box and I'll choose a font that I really like. Dreaming of a New Day looks pretty. welcome to Mrs. Amendola's class. And maybe I'll center this. And then I'll also add an email link. Okay, so then they can email you anytime that they want, which could be all the time. All right, so that's how we put text in here. Now, if you want to make a clickable image, so let's just say you're making a classroom where kids can go when they're done with their assignments, or a relaxation classroom. So I'll look up cat posters. I didn't use transparent for this one because it's a poster. I don't really want it to be transparent. Maybe look up cat posters, hang in there. Oh, this one's cute. Here we go. We'll insert this little kitty right here. Make him smaller. Okay, now you're probably wondering why I'm putting a cat poster in. Okay, here's another tip. If you want this cat poster to be behind your head, right-click it, go to Order, and send it backward. Don't send it all the way to the back because then it will go behind your wallpaper. Or you can right-click yourself and bring yourself to the front. Okay. All right. So now, what I would like to do is I would like to add a hyperlink. So if I want to insert a link and make this cat poster clickable, I'll click Insert Link right here. And I'm going to put in maybe a funny cat video. So I can actually search cat video. The funniest and most humorous cat videos. Now, of course, before I put this in my Google Classroom and in my Bitmoji classroom, I'm going to watch it first to make sure it's an appropriate video. Once I know the video is appropriate, I'll click Apply. And then when students are in my classroom, they can click on the cat and they'll get to some funny cat videos. So you can hide some really cute little Easter eggs in here. You can also link to assignments. So for example, if I am doing a World War II assignment, I might grab an Uncle Sam poster and they can get either an enrichment activity from this, or they can get an actual assignment from it, depending on what you want to do. And I'll click this link again. Or actually, we'll do Uncle Sam. Okay, and you might actually have some links, some things that you want to link this to, so that's fine. And you can also do other things with this. So if you're inserting a link, sorry, let's pretend we're linking my lightsaber. If you're inserting a link here, you can insert slides in this presentation, or you can even insert other Google links to other Google Docs, etc. So this was your very quick tutorial about how to make a Bitmoji classroom. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to catch me on Instagram at Teaching History Her Way, or on Facebook, Teaching History Her Way, or on Twitter at History Her Way, or you can email me through my blog, www.teachinghistoryherway.com. I can't wait to see all your Bitmoji classrooms, and I hope you have the best school year.